2 boxes of titanium. Pencer. Good luck, sir. Box 1. Here, I'm just going to open them both and get the packs out. That way we can get to the cards. The second box is considerably thicker, just saying. Here we go. Pack 1, box 1. Nice. Titanium Reserve autograph, Anze Kopitar. Anze Kopitar, Titanium Reserve auto for Pencer. Pack 2. That's a nice looking card too. Mirror, are you still in here? Good. Game Worn Gear Prime Dual, number 33 of 50, Henrik Lundqvist, Corey Crawford. Game Worn Gear Dual Prime, number 50. Nice little box on there. For the Wings, Jimmy Howard, jersey. Detroit. For the Senators, Peter Reagan, jersey. And Coyotes, Michael Bodker, Keith Yandel, dual jersey. Solid box. Box 2, pack 1. Very nice, number /99, draft day autograph, Mark Scheifele. Draft day auto, number /99. Vincent Lecavalier for the Lightning, jersey. For the Devils, Patrick Eliash, jersey. Very nice. Very nice. 6-pack. Well, they kind of messed it up, but I don't think you're going to be complaining. We have a fight strap. We have a 2-color patch for a jersey. We have a 2-color prime, a 3-color nameplate, a 1-color patch, and a 2-color jersey number. Number 22 of 25, Nicklas Backstrom. 22 of 25, Nicklas Backstrom. 6-pack. And last pack, you've got another one? Oh, never mind. That's a decoy. It looked goofy. And Zach Kassian. New Wave Auto. Pencer.